Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Katnat ka bapanmi bat sambording hakni ka jela Meghalaya. Kata ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited. Kalami kubor biang sasisien. Bat menta ka kanti kalong halor ka jingsya penkala meter reader. Ki officer hapo ka hukum jong ka chairman kam managing director ka bamenta. Ki jing keno kilong ru bakani ka CMD kala penkala perdat ye kirkom terekam jong ka katnat bat ru baka jinglom ye ki khajana kala hiar arson. Henry kidan part ki officer ki engineer bat ki nong tre jong ka MECL ki balapan pau babaro ki jing keno kilong ki bam dan nong rem. Bat haka khandai terek mentabna jembang arajar arpo kila khotru ya ka bat CCTV ban ajing pensai halor kini
ina kaliang jonga hi shimet bat kumjur na khatukan niki officers kini gi jing kena ba ini Sherman hi bakla ta kam shimdeken bat ngimla ban pediang ya kata ndeng isno komen shibuna ma ini Sherman lawan ban shimti kene ka kam hane po MECL ban ngai khuble ya sarkar baila phai naman ma nadu bai la join hakani ka organization ya i la khim hakibon ki banta tingila syam ro kibon ki kam ki bala sateng ki bam urlong nadu bawan ma i ki la urlong bat ki lala ban penyai de ki kam bat ka wei bangi i bai the trash tom ha ya kata ngim paju i gi wei Sherman ki the trash tom kan ne ngim dan ka i ka daw ban man ong ki kita ki bala let tende nadu bawan i kong nikla bat isimti kum Sherman ida trash tom bad mid but step ida shong medro ban ngi ki kum ki balong senior officers ngi yor ga banta ban ya trailang ban ya smutho lang hikam bat bon ki kam ngintang ila smutho baka ka daw ba ka MECL barok kini sistem ke bladap kalaya ita kelenti ki ba ba ka jingkerdo ka bangi syam kum MECL ro ngimla ongsho hakibon ke banta tende mentana do bawan BI kila syai kadar kita kiki nama ilong very transparent ya kata ka benta hakmat jongi ki officer I court bed I kran bed I wajing mood bed tingim sim lap kono kadar ba ini Sherman imdei ba kumbalak syakan no kot kubor kam sim dei kan habe dei berkata kam jingkeno meter reader jing syakam sim dei kata kom ka jing ya jongi ni kum ki officers lene ki staff betre po kan ka organisation mo corporation jongi ni don kata ka jing thrang jing ka men semban kunmo man kan tiu yala ka organisation kam sim dei ka ba penbor mono yingi ba insile bat ya kata ka kam tadin bagi syam bagi suto ba ni don apdeng ka jing kerdo ka bakrau hapo kan ka organisation jongi financially bangila dap dikiram barok ini snap ki balalet ka jingkit ka balak sarkhai ba tingi i gi jing ki bakrak badan khmat tat tang ban siu tulop ru hapsim da karam kila ele ki bam shwa tingi suto dan hangno rangno ka ka bangi de ban ya penpet ya kam te da kata ka jing mut jing parkhat barhadin bangi yo ya ka jing ya suto jing mon lang bai Sherman ngila yeshim ya ka banta voluntarily simdan kono ka jing penbor nakano no ka liang nado ki chief engineer nado ki SE hado ki staff hado ki lineman hado kini balong voluntarily banya train naman ta ban pengkiu ya kani organisation naman gidon hak caka ka ban klem ladang imya mi menta lanung ini mi tinga songo so komen ba ini Sherman ai ngi kini banta bangin ya hiar samadan ngin ya pelang kata de gawe ka ba ar pada ki perlok jongi badan hak distribution kidan hak jing duna briwa pelimo ban trai tingi ya ai lang kati kadiang kaman ban ya trai lang batki Mania rap yaki, kadang helping hand. Kamsim day kata meter reader, kata kaya bakno. It may look like, but the reality is something different. Kadang extending a helping hand with each and every one. Tanaparo kaliang, ki accounts, ki corporate affairs, civil engineers. Ngimdan ay kising singok fair ya kanay kam. Ngihiyar siya manan banwat, kumno kalong kataka, banta naman pihap buhat ya kising siya. Ngi generate power. Ngilala eka banta, bat ngi distribute pada ngi sell supaya ba, ka eka product jongi ka deka power, tingin hap smooth bakum do ka power ka bangi generate bat shano ka let, lara ka corporation ka kawa bandang kiu sakmat, bat kumjur baki consumer jongi kinyo ka quality of power, tingin hap ya tre lang, hap ya wat lang ya kata, Amdai kita ki jing sngau mit ridar, sngau kita ki long very ordinary thoughts. Hangi isu to mungkin kam ban tray ban pengkiu ya kan corporation. But ki consumer jongi ki yo quality of power. Mentang don ki jing ek bakrau ngi syam ngimla ban eten gini kitai haba ki syam jing ek consumer. Ladang im ya tray lang, ladang im ya wat lang kadau, ladang im pen bhai kata ka jing ek abang syam lanu gini ale kata. Tingi ai kubule ye sharman bai ai kan ikalat. It's a good step that she has taken, that we are all involved together. Boro, irrespective of that feeling bang ade utang, no, nothing like that. Te kamshim deka ike kata bangi snow kata meter reader. In fact, we are going to the field. Ikwa ban pet kumno ki long taki meter, kumno ki long transformer, kumno ki long taki connection. Ki paiba ka ike jing eba kishem in the terms of billing. What are the problem so that the benefit comes to both sides? Kata ade kijing tumo jangi. So there's nothing connected with all those what they have alleged in the paper.
Actually, if you see the trend after corporatization in 2010, our mostly CMD was chief secretary, additional chief secretary level. You can remember the previous CMD was technocrat. So there is no such rules also in our corporation that you have to be IAS. You may be anyone. But my personal feeling, I worked with chief secretary, additional chief secretary, and also with technocrat, and now it is MCS. It is like that manager, how good manager he or she is, how he is interacting with our officers, how he wants to or she wants to go into the depth of the problem, because electricity is a subject which is both financial, commercial as well as technical issues are there, because we are actually should be viable commercially as well as technically also. You have to give supply uninterrupted power, both side is there. So we need a coordination between the commercial as well as with the technical, then only this corporation will be successful. We are looking in that way, that how much that coordination can be established by one manager. In that way, my personal experience is that there is no difference. It depends upon how the person is, rather than what is his qualification, whether IAS or technocrat or MCS. It is not material in the corporation. Yes, IAS definitely is a very good position, because they are more acceptable to the, when they are going to the outside like MOP, etc., they are more acceptable because of their fraternity. But on account of work, on account of the development of the corporation, I think managerial capability is more important than any other qualification. It is like that. Due to COVID-19, some relaxation given by the government of India. So this relaxation came a blanket for the payment of loans, etc. But there is no direction given by the government of India not to pay the power purchase dues to the power generators. Our generators mostly central generating unit, means so those are the government of India companies. We have to pay them. Now there is a big impact in our revenue generation, because other states they have given some relaxation to the industries not to pay bills during this time. And our industries also, and the state industries also taken that into account, and they are also reluctant to pay, or they don't have money like that. So what is happening? Automatically we have a deficit of 30 crore per month. Now our salary and pensionary benefit also we had to pay, because we didn't get the desired amount from the government of Meghalaya on account of our pensionary benefit, 840 crore. It was decided in the year 2010. Now to meet at least the power purchase requirement, we had to get some money, but there is a huge impact in our revenue for this month, because we cannot bill, we cannot collect the money, all over India it's like that. And we didn't get any support from the government also in this respect, from the state government, that's some money. Now question is how to pay the dues. If we stop paying dues, they will regulate, and again there will be load shedding. Now the only way left out is that we have to generate our money. What our CMD has done, we also approached ma'am how to manage this one, and when we discussed how to go ahead, so it was unanimously decided that we can do one thing, we can go for billing or some collection if we can manage, so that at least 60-70% revenue will get, and we can manage our 50% salary, some power purchase dues. Yesterday also we had paid 5 crore to avoid regulation from the OTPC. That is actually somehow we cannot sleep at the night time, only we send the letter and they stopped. They said okay, we will not do any more regulation. Next month they will again regulate us. So you are aware that recently there is a power cut of 8 hours in Shillong, and how we manage with these limited resources. So those things we are working day and night, and we are trying to improve. But the COVID thing is another, big, problem. It creates big problem to us because it stopped all kind of collection and billing. That's why voluntarily some officers like myself, I didn't go because I had some more. I have to manage the funding. So there is nothing. If someone wants to go, they can go. If someone does not want to go, they do not go. Personally, I didn't go because I had to work here. That way, civil engineer, chief engineer, civil, all these people goes, and those having work here, they are working. Like that, we are managing somehow to collect some money so that we can meet our mandatory dues, expenses.
Hi shwa kini ki ke jong lockdown. Ke average billing kalong iyo kumba rupusan krore ai. Ti lembang kini ki jingja ka ba ngi song tho kalong ke ga ba ngiyo tang kumba arpuai. Ti ini arpuai krore ngum syong no imla wat tamban pendap ya ka pe ka jong ka be dai bat ki existing staff umju ru wat ye ki pensioners. Ti de halor kene ka benta. Ka ba ngilesyu ya kren lang peran nong tray kum ka wei ka met mo kata di ka wei shwa naman ngi hang ni ki balik chafil ngi don lagi jong ki department ka bangi ngi tray ngi don ki engineers ngi don ki staff na ka corporate affairs ngi don ki staff na ka account department kum ka wei ka met ban open one door ya ka organization ngi songtho ladang ngi mi chafil ban ya tray lang ban ya ai ki ka mon ka diang lem mi ki te ki engineer juga distribution nginomla ya kaban penpoi seta ka thong ya kaban wan lampat ya ka tei ka bangi ngido kung ono ka average billing ya ka bangila ya kaban siu khamtam ya ka pe don ki basyam jing kum ki pensioners bat kum ta ter bat de halor kan ni ka benta da ka mensim ka bakmen bat ka bi trilang ngilet shafil handai ban keno boong balapen bor kata ti kalong ke ka ba kalau ke bam day setia ke namar umdon hi ke general order ke ban ai kata ka hukum wei ka ba ar kum ba ong ipi mene kalong bet ba ngilek da ka mon soba ban ya trei kum ka wei ka met ban pen wandur ya ke ni ka organization kang ba ngila ban yeng halo ki kejat kata di ka benta ka ba penlong yang bingin lek chafil ho de shisha kata kan gede ka benta ka ba sultanat lada ki ai baro hakajing snei jo ublei kini ki kodno let's say ingin dia try nginang ya try susu ladaki tegi belai yo ya kaban mi pat shafil nakadaw ka jing ka jongki ya kaban wan sini ki bentak ya kabakin let ya kaban lom ya revenue kum tak terter ngi keluar ya kaban ai ke ketiga mon ka diang naman ngidei ka jo ki nong try ngidei ki bong nok ngidei ngimi ngi try na bentakan ka keme ngi try na bentakan ka piangja ka bangi ngi try lang badai halo kan ka bentah ngim de ban pet badi tang kitai ua ubi usi udi hendrai ka wei ka met bat pen klan bat ban wan lam ban pen wandur ban ra ya revenue krang belai bingila ban yeng haki kejat kum bawa mana
ka jing sami boarding kam kata ye hi data hajing sisha kenuar ka MECL ke de essential service ta ja kanu ka do kala jani ta ki brio jing ki lej ba chafil dan ka only ka problem ko long ba ngimla ban bill te don kisno kimsha yengi banidru te tahang ding kutul relax ke lockdown ngilala ban pha igibreu bakin lej billing te namar ba kibun kitu ko bang nevi ba kibun kisa asasno kimya wan chende banit trai te di bredeng ki perlok ni pra officer kilong willing penyerap lemno kendiat kenang ba kibreu kinom susiu lomsom ikwa banyo ke exact reading babiang kenang bubri unom siu tam dan nam siu duna kerkum berdehi ke reading kerkum minta reading jang uhi bu de ban siu un siu tu ka bisa kalau kataru kalau enam lang bathok ipai bakan telong ikut wel fit consume katu ifin siu katu mi tu sien bangim la ble yai ting la ban kitu ki por ngila on fi basu lom som no fin dai mana katu ladap ilasim reading biang ngebro i consumer kam tama shlong le wal la tang le tang shlong ru sabaro wachnong gondong ur kilet kini ki officer na po wing kirap ni shadow sa muktapur pitek bajanga kanu Singapore kanu je janga itu kasnong lalong willing ban le yarap le mingi kendang baki bre bar chaturu kinyo bil warna kimyo bil dan ki por kimyo bil kibnai kinyo abiang ki records jang gitu ki beliau ali kin la up to date billing itu ki beliau berkat nani sekamat dalam abiang hidadong sadong hi namar bangim dan pisa bon tumbrio te dalam abiang hi up to date reading tingin tip kan kat no sisa ngin dan kam beliau sisyo ngin up tumbrio dan ngim ki pisa kumnung tumbrio tada kada ngi kwa bendan ke base abiang wadinya rap lang yaki ni hika ni laya batai lang di sekolah kuno what is the strategy kay kamut kay ngidai banle ngile kini ki fusar jungi kini rap syafil ay keren lang lay batai lang kuno de banle kamdai ka ba man simitar ding kamda jinjar na hikai perkhoi gidi engineer even kiba treha like tip hi khain bai like no masuk iban khain kam jinjar kata kawai ru long ba kini bele syafil khamtam lele sanong kendong kidon gibreo kibasutu lan kibasutu bon kibasutu unauthorized connection ni khata fareng long wasu beno no senar isim aibet kato ka perlong yaki mesin jong yekindo transformer kolong overload kaing ting takadaw jong kitu ngimla su ban atas semaro gibe ting dagi benain kita yo kitu seperti kamtam finang kidu ka light mar bagi buon kilong kumto kajia hi pro state beraka mikalia beraka we kam tam le sinong ngong kini perlu ji klairap in ben habun rilenti kana bangin nyo ngintip itu ki breu ki bakumto ngila ban penlong yiki kinong sim light ki ba normal ki ban regular kilong regular na gitu ki breu kim dai syu kinong to ngin bring them ngin penbe no itu beraka kana nom machine nom do tiga jalong ba hawa selong ru kila gendon hi kini bapen kam lai ki ai nawe gayeng sewe gayeng pi try pi ai selong pi nawe gayeng nang ne gayeng sewe setai kham jangai ru ki ai lai katur kam dega kadang illegal kam sha kum ka an jong ka electric supply kam sha ban le am tu katur lingba kini ki perlok jingi nilai note down hane hang tai kar ki ba gi kar ba ki sutu tingin note down khna bingina am ten ba gitu no kata kelang ko aru ban lam kumno ki bria ha meghalaya hi ki mesio saka kani ikalat don ki bria lo guru ki bu dukan tama ki se bale khador jong ye ngidu bon keto ru tada ka ko kham ngiyo ka jing ka income jongi ka her nakada don ki bria bolong kum toru telong ka jing rap jong ini pra bai relang ni ngilai batai lupa ba finai chafil te ing te jat subai rap lam kenang bengin penpet ya gitu ki jing kenrum kenang ba ki bodai kum penukang kumta pensi kumta om bengin pen ki he ya kebelat ne bengin force ki kar kum penukang kumta hi ya kata ingin beli konsumas ting tahi hakaben kong aku aban pensai ahmad jong fi yang ni kalong habangi i tu ka mi ka newspaper kalong ka jilengo asisai ngi nama kam simdan kum kata ka order nai ni CMD ti kumusyong no diat nadu ini CMD 1 December dangkat tu kan di benai minta ngilai ibun hagi improvement sakbede kam jongi civil wing haganika generation hakam PGCL ngilai i gejeng persyang jongi ban interact ban ngi chief engineers ban find out ke hangno gidon gijing tuna ba kumno ngila ban improve but hagi di khandiat benai ngilai i ga lagi dong ki project ke bala sakut mentai la persyang ban peniat na ta gadong ke project ke bala de bala commission ke ba gidong ki badang sa ke bangim la ban fully used to the maximum potential project ya kata i persyang ban ne ti hakani ka bentang ngitip bagani ka long abnormal situation na batagani ka COVID-19 ti ngitip ru ka problem jong ka financial situation jong ka MBCL as a whole di hak interaction ji nadu ki po January nglaji perkhat ba kan bah bangin improve ya ka ngim datip bahas pang distribution ti henre ngilaju ong i lagi don nama ngitip ke jing tuna brew distribution mo kamtam leng ke rural areas le bansim ban maintain itu ki lines banang ta ban le billing kam dek basuk tingin employ so many meter readers ga financial situation ji kamsha ti hapdang kini ka COVID-19 kini ka situation ke balong kumni ke balong very abnormal
Te ngitip because of the lockdown nang ta ngitip kani social distancing, you know, barakhat kibri gidbuan ki meteoridas kidong lang stranded in the village sugidan. Kem la banwan sini. Te habang ngitip ya kani ka jingduna jong kani ka revenue collection. Te you know, in fact nadu ti po ngila tip ya kani ka financial institution bangila ju offer ka interaction jongi bat iba. Lara madam idon kam ke jingarap jongi nginyarap. Pi gajing Arab jangi kalong ba actually is an opportunity mo wara abnormal situation kalong opportunity kamde ka kam jangi kum civil engineers henry ngitip ba ngilong kawai haga MCL but lara ka distribution kamle ba ngiru ha gajing yang ngiru kumufle asngo ne giwe ginong kren tekni gari opportunity ka ba gi civil engineers ngi volunteering offer ba ngin yarap kamtam le ka por ka ba ngiduna shanu ngin pha ban ngiduna ki brio ki ban le billing te civil engineers ki le segi jaka ki fair jo state hakwa ribhoi district buon bagi hadu manta ki buon bagi jaka gedang yaj ki billing ba ka wei ka ba sutunat hangni kalong ba ngidio id lagi jong ki khmat jongi ya ka ege jinge jong distribution ke jingduna brio ki jong ki lines ki bo ki keleng ki remote villages ki badan tang kandiat ki yeng ru ki haban le Tigalong really a new experience singi bangi suthu ika problem ke jongki but bangila ban ai pada feedback ke management kumno kila ban improve pi gidon ki line ki ba you know ki ba jingai bha ki ba ban le teng tang ban locate gitu ki snong ka khamstom ban ngi ke problem ha ka billing but ngi kwa ban kawai ka banta ka don kam e galong ba ha MCL hik molong menta kanika energy data accounting ka duna ba but ini CMD persyang ban improve kata ikwa bagi data berkhoi ginlong kiba long correct kimde kibam long correct tegene ngingi yo ban sim bantalang kan exercise ba ngilala ban I feedback ke management namar balai kumbolong mentangi buon he tang simlon bateng haba ngimban sing haban simlon tenri ban simlon teng nowadays na fimdan biang ki data ke jongfi kini financial institution kim long ready gidon ki kendon ki jongki te ka bu ya gani ka corporation hapne ka jing ya ka bobon te kumar simukon na ka jing kran jonga kalong bang ko ban biang ka baningkong ngi snow ki kum civil engineers by ini CMD you know in a very short time bila le ke ba kabar itna bha khamta mi ke bade gini civil works ngi don kam ki project te menta gidang pe sangi idang sim ki initiative ru kumno ban wara sagi bagi project bangin le hang ke state ke jongi bangenge but ngirong bar kha ndon jing fair ye ngi kwa ban improve ya ka pri lara ka MCL kam is not doing well ne kalong ka ba sai you know ka power sector jing state namam dan de ki wei bare ban compete ban ngi tingas ngo banong ba lara kani kuno ka effort ban persyang banong ba ngi civil engineers ngi mla ban long meter ida kalong absurd ngi diwan ta dignity of labor we should know how to work in different levels ka perthai kala change benta ma long ngandai banong ba you know tambang ngadai to big officer ngamlong male ski kam ki baret kum kita kam la ban long te ngi kwa kata ri jingmot number la ka power sector hi ka ba ka mentoi ka state cuba ka yap ka MCL andai ka sitom hi government ka sitom hi ki pai baru tiga dei ka di ban biang yang iru ka di ban biang bangila ban sep ki pai ba ha ka kom ka badai tiga ta ka di kalong ka badon kam ha ti kum fitip hiru ngakwa manong ka wei kalong ba ka jing persyang jo CMD jo kalong ba you know ban ngini excited ban improve the system ka jongi bag baar bang isu tu ngilong kalong ka ba e bhai ka MCL menta kalong ka tarif ka bangi yo kalong very less lebih pay upon this India very less tariff ngikwa hi consumer bang isu tu ba ka tarif ka bangi charge fi kalong very less bangi yo ka tarif ka biang that is also ngasngo kani ka benta ka badon kam ba fimte ba kanu ka MCL ka struggle ka tarif ka bangi yo kam biang taman iwi ka ONM expenses jongi ban service gi loan ki new projects ki bangla commission tang ban save ya ka principal amount ba ki interest ka long so difficult tin tang ni ki tin ko bana appreciate ko ong biang ba ka ek bami itu ka newspaper ka long ka bom dan value
te kum ki staff jong ni ke department ngi pendok kulit museum dalam takari commission nomor balik kalau ke jingya senrop lang lalu ki bahe hadu ki staff ki berit kumangi undan kerdan irrespect of any rank ngi join lang ngi snok tilang nomor ngilong concern nomor balik ke department
kumen ong no ifikiniat ngila serb la bun senam tikani kani ke department jungi kala besak la betiap yangi hagyun kam ki bubun telara ke kamram jungi ngincu tre tangkum ki employee hapo kut office kam kut tangata tingi sngoy ka bagin penno shu ya kejing ke ya kamram ke jungi bagin wan chakmat menyak snok tilang barki officer ke jungi bar ke jinon kam jong ke office kam tam na kaliang jungi CMD jungi bagin shim yang benta bagin late ini reading bagin mi support ki yeng jong ki consumer ke jungi kani ke jingle ke jungi mde bangi ngile nam ta juno juno kani ngile na kam ta ka corporation na kam ta ki paranot re jungi ki badon hapding ke jing bamyo banwan ki kam ki haban chong hayeng te kani baro kalong nam ta bakin yo lem ya ke jakpo ke jungki mde ba ong bangin tam nam ta kon hon jungi ne jung itu ne jung itai jingisha ngi gidi na kaliang jong union jong third grade mo ndai hangni ngimdon union shu mentakas ngi ngilombe employees ngiwan mi baik tang nam ta ka bahagamian bangin ngi penok klub museum ya kini kelinti ke ba lamat phang dai chairman le merkat baki officer jungi baro tangi ta hinga ko ban ong mnoni iru em tinga kermen ru bagani khubor kana museum nangi ki ya kinong thanglai ki jungi balra ki don kono ke ba ki di ban haban pentip ni kinwan snok ti bat ko office ke jungi ba department ke jungi KMECL ngada kerpat iki bikin wan khmat kimni ban bu kono ke jing artien ba ka MECL ka kadon kinu kelinti ke ba kamla banyarap hendak MECL kadon baik kelinti banyarap i consumer kata kadi ka jing ko keren nak leng ko junga